this is your PHS News Today for Wednesday, November 20th. The hills are alive with the sound of music. Come see the show this Thursday and Friday. Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. NHS is partnering with Troop for our annual food drive. Bring in non-perishable food items to your homeroom until Friday, November 22nd. The homeroom with the most items per student will receive a breakfast treat. And now to Adin with your weather report.
Thank you, Audrey. Checking out the weather today, we won't see any rain today or throughout the rest of your week. Today we have a high of 50 and a low of 41. Then on Thursday, we will see a high of 56 and a low of 41. And on Friday, we'll see the temperatures drop quite a bit with a high of 47 and a low of 36. Back to you.
I'm Audrey, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day.